Welcome to a new way of growing fresh, healthy plants at home. This is my custom-designed hydroponic garden system built using simple and accessible materials. The base is made of sturdy wood, supporting a 5-gallon plastic barrel cut in half to create a water reservoir. Floating on top is a thick styrofoam sheet, carefully drilled with holes to hold plants securely. This system operates using a 120-volt water pump purchased from Amazon, paired with a custom-designed 3D printed Venturi device. This setup oxygenates the water, providing essential nutrients to the roots. Alternatively, an air pump can be used to achieve the same effect. For lighting, I use 25-watt compact fluorescent bulbs, ensuring optimal plant growth indoors. With this system, you can easily cultivate a variety of plants, including basil, lettuce, kale, parsley, and cilantro. Even tomatoes and other fruits can thrive in this setup. This hydroponic garden is easy to build with common materials, making it perfect for beginners and experienced growers alike. The floating styrofoam ensures that roots are always hydrated, while the oxygenation system promotes faster and healthier plant development. If you're interested in growing fresh food effortlessly, start building yours today and enjoy homegrown produce all year round. Visit my blog in the link below to get files and more informations.